We sincerely appreciate your continued understanding and support of the JR East Group. In this video, we would like to introduce the JR East Group's recent initiatives in sustainable procurement. First of all, regarding the supply chain. A supply chain is the flow, or chain of events, from the procurement of raw materials to manufacturing and sales. There are a number of factors surrounding these issues, such as human rights, shortages in raw materials, such as the recent global semiconductor shortage, environmental issues, SDGs, and ESG. In addition, lifestyle and market shifts following the pandemic, combined with rapid technological advances, such as generative AI, are transforming the landscape at an unprecedented pace. There is an active movement regarding procurement of materials in recent years toward greater sustainability throughout the supply chain. In relation to this, the Japanese government formulated and published the Guidelines for Respecting Human Rights in Responsible Supply Chains in September 2022. In light of this situation, the JR East Group is working toward procurement throughout the supply chain that is conscientious of both social and environmental issues. We have revised the JR East Group procurement policy in October 2021, subdividing the category of social responsibility into the following 4 categories that we are focusing upon, also updating the JR East Materials Procurement website. In March 2023, based on international norms on human rights, we formulated the JR East Group Basic Policy on Human Rights, by which the group will be working together toward a more sustainable society. For this policy, we seek the understanding and support of all our business partners beyond the JR East Group, including suppliers, and will work together to respect human rights. With the revision of the JR East Group Procurement Policy and Basic Policy on Human Rights, we have been conducting the Sustainable Procurement Questionnaire since 2022, aimed at materials suppliers. The questionnaire consists of these 7 items. The main purpose of the questionnaire is to confirm the status of efforts as per each item on the way to realizing a sustainable society. In 2022, we received responses from 1,386 companies. More than 80% of our suppliers have established their respective management systems to promote sustainable initiatives in 5 of the 7 categories. However, it was found that more than half of them have been unable to incorporate their company's human rights or environmental initiatives into the supply chain. Therefore, we have currently been conducting 2 on-site surveys, focusing on the incorporation of human rights and environmental initiatives into the supply chain. One of the surveys is regarding communication regarding management issues, which we started from 2022. Greater focus on incorporation into the supply chain began from 2023. This is how we are working with our suppliers to promote sustainable initiatives throughout the supply chain. In April 2023, we announced numerical targets under Move Up 2027, especially in terms of their relation to the supply chain. And in July 2025, we continued this approach by introducing additional targets under To the Next Stage 2034. One of our group's goals for a foundation for growth is a greater incorporation of human rights, the environment, and other initiatives among our main suppliers. This serves as an index to measure the status of procurement activities and efforts to promote the establishment of systems that take human rights and the environment into consideration. The target aimed at suppliers involved in material procurement is to increase the penetration rate to 100% by March 31, 2028. As a result of these activities, the average of all 7 items in the Sustainable Procurement Questionnaire 2024 survey was 1.6 points higher than the 2022 survey. In particular, penetration, awareness of initiatives related to human rights, the environment, and other issues throughout the supply chain increased by 4.4 points. In the environment category, 59.9% of our business associates have built internal frameworks. However, these frameworks are still not fully developed. Also, implementation of initiatives within the supply chain in Section at 49.7%, shows that more than half of our business associates have not enforced their initiatives on human rights and environmental measures throughout their supply chain. Finally, regarding the future prospects of the JR East Group, we will continue to communicate with our business partners on these issues and also share information as needed, such as exchanging opinions and holding discussions to clarify our stance. Through dialogue with business partners who face different issues, such as human rights and environmental conservation, we can understand the actual situation. We will continue to work toward a sustainable society while in communication with our business partners. We kindly request your understanding and cooperation with us in sustainable procurement. Thank you for watching our video. For more information, please check our website.